Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund Direct Growth Plan. The fund was not performing well till last 3 months, but during coronavirus this market went down. That time the fund was able to resist the downfall, and it was not falling that much compared to its benchmark, so which is a good sign, and it is kind of a defensive fund which was able to withstand the downfall. And the current ranking also, if you see for value space, the fund is having for 1 month performance, it is having first one rank, and other time space, if you see, it is having 3 to 4 rank. So it is a good fund, and for if you are thinking of a value space, you can think of this fund, investment in this fund, but you need to consider other factor also. But you need to consider that for last 5 years this fund was performing not performing that much, which you need to consider. And only if you want to invest in this space, then only you go for this fund. Otherwise there are lots of other funds which are also corrected and which is having a good value, so you can invest in that funds for better growth and returns. We'll be doing a quick review of ICICI Prudential Value Discovery Fund Direct Plan Growth. The NAV of this fund is, as on 28th May 2020, is 133.860, and it is having CRISIL rank of rating of 3 star. So the fund is having an average rating only, not 4 star or 5 star. And currently the return, if you are seeing, for the annualized return for 3 years is minus 1.5, and 2 years minus 6, and 1 year minus 14. And one more thing we need to consider is that for 1 month 7.7 return, positive return is showing, others are negative only, and 5 years plus 2.9 returns are showing. And if you can see the rank for this funds, then this is a good ranking only, because for 1 month it is 1 star, and others are 3 and 4 position. The fund is having 3 and 4 position. So this return wise, if you are seeing, apart from this negative return due to coronavirus issue, other ranking and all are good. But the thing is, we need to consider is that before 3 months before this coronavirus issue and markets gone down, the fund was not performing well. Other funds were giving good return, and but after this coronavirus issue, when market got down, this fund was able to withstand that downfall. And there was a downfall obviously, but this fund was not going down like other funds. Other funds were having good big fall compared to this fund. And if you can see if you can compare with the benchmark also, the fall is benchmark was underperforming, and this fund outperformed the benchmark. The benchmark for this fund is BSE 500, and we will be checking BSE 500 returns, how it was. If you right now you see minus 3 years minus 1.5, 2 years minus 6, and 1 year minus 14. If you see BSE 500 benchmark returns for 3 years minus 6.40, 2 years minus 16, and for 1 year minus 21. So 1 year and 2 years was is showing around 16 to 20 returns, negative returns, and 3 years minus 6.40. Hence, if you are comparing the benchmark, the fund is performing well. Even though it is showing negative, it is not gone down that much, which is good. Other thing, we will be checking the portfolio of this fund. The fund is having allocation of Infosys, Sun Pharma, Bharti Airtel, NTPC, Mahindra and Mahindra. All these stocks are very good stock, and actually very good portfolio this fund is having. And only the problem is that Sun Pharma, earlier the allocation of this fund on Sun Pharma was more than 10%. That's why it was not performing well during last 4 or 5 years. But right now they have reduced the allocation and all other fund, all other stocks also corrected. So it is right now it's a good opportunity to invest in this fund. And if you can see the sector allocation also, technology is having higher priority, banking and finance is having only 6.42, which is good because in coming days it is expected that banking and finance sector will be correcting further and it will be underperforming compared to other sectors. So the good thing is that the fund is having 6.42 percentage only allocation in this category, and technology pharmaceuticals are having good allocation, which is giving a clue that coming days fund can perform well. Now we need to understand what should be our strategy for this fund, how we will be investing in this fund. For those who want to who already invested in this fund running their SIP, they can continue in this fund, continue their SIP in this fund. And for those who already invested lump sum, then they can for short term they can divide their investment in lump sum amount into small parts, and in part by part they can average in this fund. For new investors, I would recommend, if you want to invest in value category, then you can choose this fund. But the thing is that right now all stocks are trading at their minimum level, historic low level, means that all funds are value funds only right now, even though they were growth fund 3-4 months before. They were trading at high valuation, but right now all stocks are corrected, and right now all funds are like a value funds only. So you can, if you invest in growth fund right now, you will get more return compared to this fund. But for an investor, you should not invest in a single fund. You should have multiple type of funds in your portfolio. So in that case, if you are trying to select a fund for value space, then you can invest in this fund small amount, some portion of your total investment portfolio. You can start an SIP for the short term when the market is corrected, that you can start an SIP, or you can invest in lump sum. But for investors who is already invested in value space, then no need to do further investment in this fund. They can check whether they have the portfolio of large cap or small cap, multi cap funds already there. Then if they don't have any kind of large cap or small cap investment, they can invest their small portion of their investment. If they have already a value space fund, then no need to invest in this fund. So like that, you can three type of investment you can select based on your portfolio. If you are lacking any kind of fund in multi cap space or value space, you can select this fund. This is you need to understand that this fund was underperforming last 5 years. Keep it in mind. And I also invested in this fund, and I was trying to switch from this fund, but current situation by this corona issue, I can understand that all other funds which were performing very well corrected more than this fund. So right now this is in a good position compared to other fund. So I am holding this fund, whatever investment I have already. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.